Okay guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're going to be making a wine glass in Blender. If you guys can hear a lot of wind and a lot of banging behind me, we're currently in the middle of a storm, so just ignore it. I'm hoping that the microphone's not going to pick up on that, but yeah. They've been talking about power outages, and they've also been talking about heavy snow and please don't drive and all this kind of stuff. I mean, like, we live in England, like, you get about 5 centimeters of snow and everyone loses their mind, so you know, it's not like my friend in Canada who's got snow plows and stuff like that, and he goes around getting rid of the snow for everyone. I mean, literally a couple of meters high where he lives. But yeah, this country kind of loses their minds when the weather's bad. So anyway, we're going to be making a wine glass today. So what we want to start with, we're looking at cycles to begin with. Just change your engine, your render engine to cycles. And then what we're going to do, come up to the top here, where it's add. You want to go to mesh, and I always start with a circle. So put your circle in, you see it's quite small. I'm just going to scale this out a little bit. Okay, so we're looking at making a wine glass today. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to split the atom and give you guys a side view. I hate doing this, it's like another one bites the dust. I've got like 3 mouses on my desk here, we just moved into a new place. Whoa. Tried not to knock over the camera at the same time. And like, my mouses, they just break on me like crazy. I think the box that I had my mouse in was dropped. I've got another one here that's kind of I got a side gig. Yeah, because I need a new keyboard and I also need a new mouse because I write books. My keyboard is now wearing down. So, hopefully we've got a mouse that works now. Yay! The scroll wheel's still broken on this one, but it works. At least we're not ghosting the scroll wheel. Right, so we will start again because things happen, technical issues. So, what we want to do to make the wine glass is, we've got the basic circle now. We're going to go up here, we're going to go to edit mode. You see that we've got a lot of points here. And what we want to do is we want to make a face because this currently doesn't have a face. So just press F on your keyboard, press E to extrude, and you'll see that it's just come up in the corner here.